Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add a signature to your email messages to customize it, make it professional, or make it unique. Right, so to do that, start by going to settings here, select see all settings, then scroll down to this section signature, click on create new, and then you might want to give your signature a name. Let's say my skills. Now this is the title of your signature, and then you might want to start typing the details that you want to add, that you want people to see whenever you send a mail. So you might want to add your name. Let's say I am Sepe Setonyo, and then what is my role? Social media manager, where STEM essentials. So this is what I want people to see whenever I send my mail. You can customize it to fit your unique abilities or skills. And then let's go further. You might want to add a link. If there is a website for your role or what you're working with, there's a website to direct your people to. You might want to use this to add a link. So I'm going to copy the link of this channel, Mr. Essentials, and then add it here. And then what do I want people to see? YouTube. Letting them know this link will take them to YouTube. Okay, so you can see it is added right here. And then you might want to add a picture or an image. Let's assume this is the image that depicts my brand. So I'll just go and add this here. And then you might want to highlight some text as well. So this is for you to change the font. So if you want to change the font, there's highlight or select that font you want to change, and then change to the font that you prefer. You might want to change the size. To change the size, use this button. You might want to make it small, normal, large, huge. You might want to make it bold, italics. So let's demonstrate that. Right. If not, let's return this to normal and just make it bold. Great. Maybe you want to underline this or make it italic. Let's just underline this and rather italize this. Oh, great. Great. So this is to align your text whether you want it to the right. So let's select our text. Whether we want it centered to the right or it should remain here. And if there's an item you want to bullet, you can use the number button section here, or you can use the dot to list or to itemize. Either you want to list or itemize, you have an option here to use. And if you want to indent, just move it forward to regular spacing interval, just use that. You can use this to bring it back. So if you are done, you come down here and save changes. And one more thing, if you want to make this signature a default so that every message you send out, every email you send out, that should be the signature attached to that message, just come here, signature default, and select the title. And if you want it to be attached to the emails you reply or forward, you can as well select this. Then save your changes. Now let's try this out. So let's say we want to compose a message, an email. So come here, so let's compose, and you realize your signature is right here. So whenever you send a message, this signature is going to be sent. Let's say you have more than one signature. Whenever you're composing a mail, this pen-like button here is representing your signature. So just click here and select. If you had created more than one signature, they will all be here. So just click here and alternate between them. Select which one you want. If you don't want a signature to be attached to your mail at a certain point in time, just come here, select no signature, and you see that it is off. If you need it, just come back here and select that specific one you want to be attached to your mail. If this video is helpful, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.